Welcome to Telegram Bot Studio for Google Sheets. This add-on lets you connect and manage your Telegram bots directly from your spreadsheet. Start by opening Google Sheets and launching the Telegram Bot Studio add-on directly from the sidebar. This gives you access to all bot management features within your spreadsheet. To connect your Telegram bot, paste your bot token and click Connect. The add-on uses the script external_quest scope to securely communicate with the Telegram API. Then, saves your bot info securely in the current spreadsheet, using the spreadsheets.current-only scope.